another is a file integrity, maintaining the file integrity or confirming the file integrity. So what is the file integrity? Actually, integrity means when the data is stored and accessed, it is modified or not. Means whatever the file exists previously having the same files, means all the integrity files should not be modified. Integrity checking verifies that data has not been modified by using any mechanism, accidentally or intentionally. There is a two types of the modification is possible. One is a intentionally, another is a unintentionally. Intentionally, where there is a any motive behind to do that, like I don't like this file and I am going to delete this file, this is the intentional. But by mistake, like I have run the command rm and rf and give the different name of the file or mistake of the file, so it will be the unintentionally modification. And also the data when we are downloading or uploading, it should not be modified, right? Now how you can check? You can use the different hash function to check their integrity. So hash function is used for protection of the maintain their integrity, check for their integrity. For the example, there is a one folder or the file ABC, and when I am using the hash function and generate the value is a 1 2 3, and when I send this file to another person will do the same process and generate the hash function, and hash function will be written the 1 2 3, so the file has not been modified. Okay. And hash algorithm, SHA, there is a two generally hash function is used, MD5 and SHA having there this different of the version, SHA-1, SHA-256 and 512. So these are the different secure hash algorithm are used to generating the hash function. So how can you do all these things? We will cover in a practical.